Beneath the waves and ancient land of India lies a hidden world. A world of minerals, fossils, and untold geological secrets, representing the long evolutionary history of the planet Earth. Here is a tale of discovery and exploration waiting to be unfolded. Geological Survey of India. The glorious 175 years of evolution, adventure, and nation building. It all began in 1830s when the world ran on coal and steam. The British East India Company needed fuel for their iron beasts. Driven by the need of coal and minerals, they sent some geologists to India. Led by Sir Thomas Oldham, thus the Geological Survey of India was born in Calcutta in the year 1851. The mission was to map the nation with the ultimate goal of understanding the country's mineral potential and geological superlatives. As the survey expanded, so did its discoveries. These resources fueled India's industrial growth. When the chains of colonial rules broke, a new purpose emerged. The new India sought its own treasures. From the coal fields of Raniganj to the copper deposits in Khetri, from iron ore of Singhbhum to shimmering gold of Kolar, each mission was a testament of dedication. GSI expanded both in form, structure, and capacity. What began as small-scale research expeditions evolved into a series of groundbreaking missions that have shaped our understanding of the world and beyond. Today, the Geological Survey of India is a premier geological organization providing support to India's growth. Established in 1965, the Marine and Coastal Survey Division of GSI has been the nation's silent sentinel along India's coasts, mapping uncharted waters, revealing hidden treasures, and safeguarding marine ecosystems. Today, the division stands as the backbone of India's blue economy. In the decades that followed, GSI transformed with modern tools of remote sensing, geophysics, and modern surface exploration tools in land, air, as well as ocean areas of the subcontinent. Beyond India, GSI's research extended to the icy frontiers of Antarctica, contributing to the global climate and geological studies. With the turn of the century, GSI harnessed the power of technology. No longer just about maps and rock hammers, it became a hub of innovation using drones, AI, and satellite data to explore and protect India's geological treasures. Through the National Geological Data Repository, GSI is creating a comprehensive database of India's geological history, helping predict mineral resources. GSI can boast of its equipped laboratories with advanced facilities to analyze geological samples and for accurate identification and certification of gemstones. Today, GSI isn't just exploring, it's solving problems. From predicting natural disasters to managing our mineral resources, it's using cutting-edge technology to safeguard India's future. GSI also advanced its study to planetary and extraterrestrial research. GSI Kolkata houses the National Meteorite Repository, dedicated to the collection and preservation of 643 meteorites from around the world. As climate change accelerates, GSI leads the charge, restoring balance, pioneering clean energy, and advancing towards a net zero carbon roadmap. Driving India's green future, GSI leads the critical mineral mission, unlocking lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements for a sustainable tomorrow. Today, GSI works tirelessly to document, protect, and promote India's geo-heritage, to play an exemplary role in training and capacity building. The quest does not end. It never will. For as long as rivers run, as long as the mountains rise, as long as the sky reveals its secrets, there will be minds who are keen to explore.